In this episode, we're on dry land in the center of the U.S. We're in St. Louis, Missouri. It's a look at a local donut shop, the gateway arch from the city, and tulips blooming near the city garden. In addition to cruising items, we're expanding to include other travel spots throughout the U.S. as we visit them. So join us as we take this tour. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. Here's a view of the Gateway Arch from the city. I'll post a video touring the Gateway Arch National Park soon. Just across the street from that view is the city park, which has an eclectic collection of sculptures. If you find this video helpful or informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to help us grow the channel. Next, we're checking out the Ballpark Village dining and entertainment area near Busch Stadium, home of the St. Louis Cardinals. There are several dining options just across the street from the baseball stadium. Coming around to the front of the stadium are several statues of Cardinals who are legends, not only in St. Louis, but across professional baseball. Finally, at the front of the stadium is a statue of the most famous Cardinal of all time, Stan the Man Musial. Thanks for watching our video on the sights of St. Louis. Please click the like button and consider subscribing to help us grow the channel. And as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.